One evening, as Tom sat in his living room, a strange static noise came from an old radio. He didn't even remember turning it on, yet it seemed to be working. Amidst the static, a muffled voice emerged. "Come to the roof at 11 o'clock." The message left Tom both intrigued and uneasy. Tom glanced at the clock. It was only a few minutes to 11. Determined to uncover the mystery, he decided to head to the roof. Reaching the roof, Tom swept the area with his flashlight. In the corner, he noticed an old, dusty box that looked untouched for years. Opening the box, Tom discovered a small antique disc. Engraved on its surface were the words, "The journey begins with a compass." Tom found an old compass alongside the disc. Strangely, the needle didn't point north. It spun wildly, as if trying to guide him somewhere. Tom noticed the compass needle settling momentarily, pointing towards the backyard. It seemed to be leading him to something. In the far corner of the backyard, Tom discovered an old, moss-covered barrel. The compass needle stilled as he got closer. Inside the barrel, Tom uncovered an ancient key. The word cellar was engraved on its surface, pointing him to his next destination. Inside the barrel, Tom found a rusty key. On it, the word cellar was engraved. It was another clue. After Tom went down to the basement, he noticed a cellar. Tom opened the cellar door and went in. Tom stepped inside, illuminating the room with his flashlight. Dust and cobwebs filled the air. On the desk was a note with a cryptic message. "Look to the sky. The secret lies there." Through the small window above, Tom noticed a bright star that seemed to guide him. Following the star's alignment, Tom returned to the backyard. Beneath the starlight, he spotted a glowing stone slab hidden among the grass. Under the slab, Tom uncovered a hidden chest that had been buried for years. Opening the chest, he found an old letter that appeared to be written by his grandfather. The letter described a hidden treasure map, one that had been passed down through generations. Tom understood that this was just the beginning of a greater journey. The letter guided Tom to the forest, where he found an old book. Within the book's pages, Tom discovered a map pointing to a distant mountain village. Tom packed his bag, ready to follow the map's directions to the unknown. With his bag slung over his shoulder, Tom stepped out into the sunrise. A new adventure had just begun.